Anyone? Okay, Loie, can you give two?
Bicep and deltoid.
Another one.
Tricep. Spell the word sex.
Ang tanging handog ko sa'yo'y edukasyong Pilipino. Diskarting mula sa puso, mamamanghap ang mundo. Matatag na
Burik, Andre.
puro, matatag sa mga pagsubok, matatag na mga mag-aaral, matatag.
Write at least 3 parts of the listed system.
Ang solusyon, ipaglaban ang edukasyon. Kabataang Pilipino, Muslim o Kristiyano, lahat ng paniniwala, lahat ng katutubo, may kapansanan, iba man kasarian. Ang ating pag-aaral ay ating karapatan. Ang ating pag-aaral, pang-ahon sa kahirapan. Matatag na mga
Last, this morning, let us travel to the world of adventure. An adventure played by Perseus. Now, who can tell me about the story about Perseus? Or does anyone has the idea about the story of Perseus?
The story started with a king, King Acrisius, the king of Argos, who went to Apollo and he asked if he could bear a son.
But Apollo said he could not bear a son, yet he will have a grandson, and Bias said he shall die.
Can I ask, does King Acrisius bear a daughter?
Yes, he has a daughter, but after finding out his prophecy, he hid his only daughter Danae.
Then, Danae was locked up in a chamber made of gold and bronze, and the only thing she could see above are the moving clouds.
Zeus transformed himself into a shower of gold that made her pregnant.
And then, there was an Olympics, where Perseus was participating, the grandson of King Acrisius. But when it's time for Perseus' turn to throw the discus landed on one of the spectators. And guess who's the spectator?
His grandfather.
Yes, and because of that, the prophecy of Apollo came true.
Saysay ang kilos ko sa mundo.
Pero ang kinabukasan mo, tungkulin ba ng ibang tao? Maghanap ng entablado mo, ganito.
Huwag nagpagmasdan ang pangyayari. Gumarat gumalaw, lamang sa init ng damdamin. Sabay-sabay na